नमस्ते सम्पूर्ण विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू। नयाँ सेसन सँगसँगै नयाँ जाँगर उत्साह उमङ्ग बोकेर स्कुल जानुहुन्थ्यो। तपाईहरु नयाँ नयाँ साथीहरू बनाउनुहुन्थ्यो, शिक्षकहरूसँग नयाँ नयाँ कुराहरू सिक्नुहुन्थ्यो। तर त्यो सबै कोभिड-19 को प्रभाव सँगसँगै घरमै सीमित रह्यो। यसैलाई मध्यनजर गर्दै निजी तथा आवासीय विद्यालय अर्गनाइजेसन प्याप्सन केन्द्रीय सचिवालयको निर्णयलाई आत्मसात गर्दै पालिका प्याप्सन, जिल्ला प्याप्सन र प्रदेशले समेत सहयोग गर्नुभएकोमा यहाँहरूलाई हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। त्यसैले विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई पढ्नबाट वञ्चित नहोस् भन्ने उद्देश्यले प्याप्सनले प्याप्सन दूरशिक्षा कार्यक्रम आयोजना गरेको हो र टिभी टुडे र प्याप्सनको संयुक्त प्रयासमा यो कार्यक्रम यहाँहरू माझ हामीले पस्केका छौं र आज टिभी टुडेको सेट अगाडि बस्नुभएका तमाम विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू, अभिभावकज्यूहरू, स्कुलका शिक्षक शिक्षिकाहरू सम्पूर्णलाई अबको क्लासमा हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु।
Good afternoon, namaste. My name is Sivadal. I am here to teach you mathematics. So, I welcome all the students of grade 6 in this distance teaching learning class. Without any delay, I will start the class. In last class, we are discussing about evaluation of algebraic expression or algebraic term. Evaluation of the term. When you replace the value of the variable in an algebraic expression or term, then the value of the expression or term is obtained. Then this is called evaluation of the term or the expression. Now let me write some example. Example number example 1. If x equals to suppose 8, y equals to suppose 3, then find the value of 2x plus 3y. Number B, x plus y whole square. Number D, x plus y whole square, suppose divided by 5. E, x square plus y square. Now let's try to find the solution for this question. Number A, solution for number A. Here it is given that x equals to 8, y equals to 3. Here it is given x equal to 8 and y equal to 3. Now we have to replace the value of x by 8 and the value of y by 3. Is that clear? Then 2x plus 3y, according to the question, the value of x is here 8 plus the value of 3 into the value of y is again 3. So 2 is 16 plus 3 3 is 9. Then 16 plus 9 is 25. Then this is the solution for this question. Now we are evaluating 2x plus 3y equals to 25 if the value of x equals to 8 and y equals to 3. Similarly, can you solve all this question? Simply you have to substitute the value of x, or you have to replace the value of x by 8 and the value of y by 3. Then you can find the solution. This is very simple question. I think you can do this. You can do this. Is that clear? Can you do this? Okay, very good. Now let me write question number 2. If y equals to 2x plus 2 and x is the variable of the set and x is the variable of the set B 2, 4, 6, this is set B, that means 2, 4, 6 are the value of x, find the possible value of y. Possible value of y. Here condition it is given here, the value of y equals to 2x plus 3 and x is the variable of the set B, that means 2, 4, 6 are the value of x. If you replace or if you substitute the value of x in given condition, what value we will get? The possible value of y we have to find here. Is that clear? Understood the question? 3 times we have to replace the value of x. One time we have to replace the value of x by 2. Second time we have to replace the value of x by 4, and third time we have to replace the value of x by 6. Is that clear? Are you getting me? Now solution please here. I'll do this question. Here it is given y equals to 2x plus 2. Y equals to 2x plus 2. When these 2, 4, 6 are the value of x, that means when x equals to 2, then y equals to 2 into 2 plus 2. Simply we have to replace the value of x by 2 over here. Then 2 to the 4 plus 2, that is 4 plus 2 equals to 6. Again, when x equals to 4, then y equals to 2 into the value of x is 4 over here, plus 2 equals to 2 4 is 8 plus 2 equals to 8 plus 2 10. Is that clear? Understood? Now when x equals to 6, third time, then y equals to 2 into the value of x over here 6 you have to replace, plus 2 equals to 2 6 are 12 plus 2 equals to 14. Therefore the possible value of find the possible value of y. Therefore possible value of y are, you can write 6, 10 and 14. Is that clear? This understood or not? It is given here, set B it is given here, and all these elements of the sets are the value of x. One by one we have to replace all this value of x in this given condition, then we will get the possible value of y. Understood? These all are the value of x. Is that clear? Understood? If I give you similar type of question, can you do? Will you try? Yes, definitely. Now let me write one question. Okay, 2x minus 1. Simply I will change this condition only. Then find the possible value of y. Here, if y equals to 2x minus 1 and x is the variable of the set B 2, 4, 6, then find the possible value of y. Exactly same process. First write given condition, and one by one you have to replace the value of x, first time by 2, second time by 4 and third time by 6. Is that clear? Will you try this question? Yes, okay, very good. Like terms and unlike term. Like terms and like terms. Do you know like terms and unlike term? Like term means the algebraic term having same base and power. The algebraic term having same base and power is called like term. Like 3x. Example. First, let me discuss like terms. 3x, 4x, 5x, 6x, etc. Here, same base and same power. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 terms are there, and your base is x, and power also same here. Base x, base x, base x, base x, and all these term having power same. Then this is called like terms. Similarly, you can write 3x square, 4x square, 5x square, 6x square, etc. They are having same base. Here also, let's check here. Here also base x, here also base x, here also base x. Coefficient doesn't matter. Here also base x, base x, base x. Power also 2, here also 2, here also power 2. So these are the like term. Another example you can write, suppose 5x square y, 6x square y, 7x square y. These are also like term. Here 5 coefficient, here 6 coefficient, here 7 coefficient. There are 3 terms. Now base x, here also base x, here also base x. Power 2, power 2, power 2, and power of y is 1, here also 1, here also 1. These all are the example of like term. Unlike term. You can write so many examples of like terms. I have written here only 3 examples. Just opposite here, power and base, it will not be same. Like in unlike term, the algebraic term which have different base and different power. In algebraic term which have different base and different power, then this is called unlike term. Different base may be same, but power it will be different. Base may be same, but power it will be different. Like 2x, 3x square, 4x cube. Here 2x base x, here also base x, here also base x. Then here its power is 1, here power 2, here power 3. So this is unlike term. Okay, let me clarify one thing. Like term we can add or we can subtract. Is that clear? If there is like term, then we can find the addition and subtraction. Then we cannot do addition or subtraction if there is unlike term. Is that clear? Now let me write some question. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Number 1, number 2 example. Number 3 example. 10p cube minus 7p cube. Number 7, please check here. I have written here addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. This is our topic. Now simply this here, please check question number 1. 2x plus 3x. Both are like term. Base same x, here also base same x. Power 1, here also power 1. Then simply you have to add the coefficient over here. Then 2 plus 3 equals to 5x. Otherwise you can do in this way also. Please here 2x plus 3x. You can take common x. Remaining you can take common, here also x, here also x. Remaining here 2 plus 3. It will be more complicated. Simply if it is like term, then again you will get same answer. Please here 5x you will get you over here. But this is very simple. You have to add simply coefficient of like terms. 2x 3x both are like term, so you can add this. 2 plus 3 5. Now here also x square, here also x square. Then this also you can add 6 plus 4 10. 10x square. Please here AB, here also AB. All these are like terms. Then 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 8 17. 17 AB. Simply you have to add like term over here. Now here there is subtraction, minus symbol is there. So xy, here also xy, here also xy, both are like term. So you have to simply subtract the coefficient. 6 minus 3 3x y. Then here also y, they are also like term. Then 8 minus 7 1. Then simply you have to write y. Then if there is no number in front of the variable, then there will be 1. So 1 no need to write here. Are you getting me? Understood or not? Okay. Now please here also here PQ, here also PQ. So PQ, then 10 minus 7 3. 10 minus 7 3. So we will get 3 PQ. Similarly here also x square y, here also x square y. So 7 minus 3, it will be 4 x square y. Is that clear? How we can add like term? Understood? Similarly, if there is question like 3x square plus 2x, please see here power 2, here power 1. So we can add this. According to the definition of like term, base and power must be same. This is although base same. See, here also x, but here power of the base is 1. Here power of the base is 2. In first case, power of the base is 2 and the power of the base is 1. So you cannot add this. Similarly, another question, 3x square y minus 4xy. Here also please check. Here power 2, here power 1. So this also you cannot. Are you getting me? Understood or not? Very good. Now let me write some question over here. Simplify. Number A, 2a square plus 3a square plus 4a square plus 7a square. Please here also a square, here also a square, here also a square, here also a square. That means this is also like term. So can you add this? 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 7 16. Directly you can write 16 a square. This is your solution, 16a square. Directly you can write. First you have to check whether it is like term or not. If it is like term, then we can do addition or subtraction. If it is not like term, then you cannot add or you cannot subtract. Is that clear? Are you getting me? Okay, very good. Now number B, please here. 2p plus 3q plus 6p plus 8q plus p. Now here please, here base p, base q, here base p, base q, base p. So first, in this type of condition, in this type of situation, first you have to arrange the term. You have to arrange the term in such a way that you have to keep like terms together. Is that clear? Here you have to keep over here p term together and q terms together. So solution you can write here 2p plus 6p plus p plus 3q plus 8q equals to what you can write here. These three terms, can we add this? Here also p, here also p, here also p, then here also q, here also q, then 6 plus 2 8 plus 1 9, 9p plus, if there is no coefficient then there will be 1. If there is only p, then I already discussed, there must be 1. Is that clear? Are you getting me? Now again 3 plus 8, 11q, and this is your answer. Is that clear? Are you getting me? Now I'll write another question, number C. 6xy plus yz minus xy minus 2yz plus 5. This is our question. Here also, first please arrange the like terms first, then you can simplify. Solution please here 6xy minus xy, this and this, it is like term, and here yz, here also yz, this also like term, plus yz minus 2yz plus 5 equals to, you can write 6 minus 1 5. If there is only xy, then each coefficient there will be 1. Are you getting me? Understood? If there is no coefficient, then there will be 1. So 5xy, here also 2 minus 1, one is plus, another one is minus, different sign here, so you have to subtract. So greater number having negative sign, so sign here it will be yz, because here is 1, here is 2, but greater number having negative sign, so there will be minus yz plus 5. Is that clear? These all are the some example. These are the example how to add like terms. Okay. Now let me write another question. Add 5x square plus 3xy plus 4y square and 2x square minus xy plus 3y square minus 3y square. Solution, you have to add this. So 5x square plus 3xy plus 4y square, this is one term, plus 2x square minus xy minus 3y square. Here in question it is given add the following, that means there must be plus, is equals to 5x square plus 3xy plus 4y square plus into plus plus 2x square plus into minus minus xy minus 3y square. Now similar like previous question, please arrange the like term first. 5x square plus 2x square plus 3xy minus xy plus 4y square minus 3y square. 1 2 3 4 5 6 term are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we are arranging the like term. So now you can use operation addition and subtraction. Is that clear? 7x square 3 minus 1 2 plus 2xy plus y square. This is the answer. Is that clear? Thank you very much, dear student. Now we will discuss same type of question in next class. Thank you very much.